Hi friends, hope you are doing well. So today I will discuss about the importance of starting a YouTube channel if you are a person who is over 40 years old. And of course we know that there are many YouTubers out there in their 20s, some are even younger. And these people publish a lot of YouTube videos out there, for example, on gaming and various subjects. But they lack something which is life experience. And if you are somebody who has crossed 40 years, maybe you are 50, 60, you have a lot of life experience which you can share with people out there. So one of the advantages of being an older YouTuber is that you have experience in many fields. For example, you may have experience in finance, in research, in job search processes, on career, on programming, on lifestyle issues, on teaching, even on any kind of philosophical issues which you have encountered through life. And very often, what happens is that people take different paths in their life, and these paths themselves are very interesting to many people. So, you may have migrated to a different country, you may have traveled to various places, you may have done different degrees, and all these are things which you can share with people out there. So this is something which is very advantageous because people nowadays want to get information from actual people. They do not like to get information only from the so-called experts. Now, the number two issue is that many people are very afraid of getting onto the YouTube platform, and they think a lot of skills are required in terms of photography, in terms of speaking, and so on. But I will tell you that it's not actually something very difficult. You can start with your cell phone, and many people will tell you to get expensive cameras. You can get them later as your channel grows, but to start with, you simply need a good cell phone. For example, I'm shooting this particular video on the iPhone 12. You can get any good phone out there also beside the iPhone models. For example, you could get a Samsung phone, or you could get any phone with a good camera. There are a plethora of Chinese phones out there also in markets in developing countries. Now, once you have a good cell phone, what you need is a lot of sunlight. And for example, I'm shooting this video in sunlight. I don't have any YouTube studio out there. I simply have a simple setup and I shoot my video here. So this is how you can start the process. And with time, you can expand your process if you think that is required. But most often, one thing to remember is that content is king, and all these other things are actually not so important. Maybe the thumbnail is important, the title is important, and the content is important, but the camera and the particular lighting setup you have created is actually not so important. Now, the number three is that try to write script in bullet points. And very often what happens is that people are very afraid as to what they are going to talk about. So they think they have to write an entire monologue out there in terms of all the things they are going to say. They try to memorize this and so on. But I'll tell you that if you are talking on something on which you have some expertise, then you can simply write bullet points and you can talk about that particular topic. Now, if you have life experience, it's not very difficult to talk about a given topic. And if you do not have life experience, I will say that you probably should not be making video on that particular thing. And very often what happens is that the people who are listening to you very quickly find out whether you have experience in a particular area or not, and you will see this by the success of certain videos and by the lack of success of some different videos out there. Now, the number fourth point has to do with share your personal experience. And this is something which is very useful if you are a person who is more senior, because you have a lot of experience out there in terms of your life. And so, whatever you have accomplished, maybe you have applied for different fellowships out there, maybe you have got different degrees, you have moved around in different countries, you have difficulties in raising your children, in family, in your own health. All these things are experiences which you can share with younger people out there, and you will find that people actually very much like the fact that you are coming out as an authentic and real person. They are very much jaded by the quality of commentary they are getting from experts on TV and on traditional media. Now, the next point has to do with the editing required for the YouTube videos, and many people are actually very afraid of the kind of changes they have to make once they have shot their video on the phone. So they think that they have to learn various complicated software packages, they have to bring in the nice b-roll and so on. But I will tell you that most of my highly successful videos, in fact, are simply shot on phone and uploaded directly onto YouTube. So I did not even bother to make any changes here. So I simply cut off the front and back portions, and then I put up that entire thing on YouTube. And in fact, some of my videos, for example, the 5 secrets to getting postdoc positions, the different questions you are asked as far as faculty interviews are concerned, all these essentially have no b-roll out there. I discovered b-roll much later through Microsoft Clipchamp. Now if you are interested in putting b-roll later, you can go for Microsoft Clipchamp. You can easily put all kind of text also on the videos out there. Now what happens is that the younger people are more in need for b-roll because the attention span which they have is somewhat lesser, so they like the fact that you are giving them different things to see, maybe different faces to see, maybe better looking faces than your own. So this is something you may have to address down the road. Now the next point has to do with something like PowerPoint slides. And if you are somebody who has experience out there who wants to make some slides to make a presentation, the latest versions of PowerPoint which are out there, they have a very nice record feature. So essentially what you can do is that you can make a PowerPoint presentation and then you can simply record yourself on this particular presentation, and then you can directly save this as a video and then upload it onto the YouTube channel. So this is a very nice process by which you can make different presentations and you can present your work out there. You can develop classes, tutorials, and so on. So I have used these particular techniques to develop entire classes out there. So if you check out my channel, you will see different courses. I'm going to put a lot of this content on the description box so you can check out as to the courses you can develop. If you have been a teacher, if you have been a professor, if you have been a researcher, maybe even a management consultant or a finance expert, you can certainly make PowerPoint slides and present things. In that case, what happens is that you do not have to make script and talk extempore. There are many subjects where you need to probably give in math, you probably need to give in a lot of information, and PowerPoint is good for that. Finally, the seventh point has to do with the different type of contents out there. So many people think that YouTube is only long form content, which is the video like I'm shooting right now. But you can also make shorts and you can post, and this is a good way to increase your community out there. You will find that you will get to know a lot of people through YouTube who were never part of your life, and slowly your reach is going to spread. And if you have been somebody who is ensconced into a particular small setup, then you will find that you are able to reach many people around the world through your YouTube channel. So I have actually received different replies from people in different corners of the world, countries which I never visited in my life and I may not be able to visit in my life. So this is the power of YouTube. So certainly if you are over 40-year-old, if you are 50 plus, if you are 60 plus, if you are retired, if you are contemplating retirement, think about starting a YouTube channel. Also start a YouTube channel if you already have a job, because maybe you will retire after some time, and nowadays people are not going into full retirement. What they are doing is they are keeping on doing something, and YouTube is something which provides you a possibility of trying to do something, keeping on doing something, and you may be receiving some monetary compensation also in case you get monetized, which will of course pay for your bills as far as internet is concerned. And maybe you can upgrade yourself to one of the better cameras such as the Sony ZV-1. You may buy yourself a new phone, for example the iPhone 16, and all these can come from the earnings which you make through YouTube.